Hello there, Darren. This is just a whistle-stop tour of the admin area of your website. You should have received an email from me which gives you the login details. Now, when you're logged in, this is what you see. This is your dashboard. There's really not much on here that you can use. Most things should really be hidden, but there's no big deal there. The website support tab here is available to you. And what I'll do is I'll put this video into that tab so that you can access it at any time. This can be a reference. So going through this, the first thing that we're going to do is show you how to add and remove some services that you wanted to add to your site. So if you'll see up here, when I hover over the title here, you'll see that Visit Site comes down as a tab, and I can click on that and that will just open the front of the site. But I'm going to right click it and just open it in a new tab, and I quite like to have the front and the back open in tabs that you can jump between. Now what you'll notice when you're on the front of the site is that you've got a black bar at the top. This is only visible to you because you're logged in and not to your customers, and it's really just an opportunity for you to go into, say you were in beauty insurance and you wanted to edit it. You could click Edit Commercial Service and simply take into the editable part of the site. You can make your edit and then click View. And now for some reason my image is popping up in the bottom corner. So let me assume that within your commercial range you want to add a new item. Yeah, beauty, cleaner, etc. And I'm just going to show you how we can do that. Go back to the dashboard and into commercial services, and you'll see there that there is all your pages right there. What you could do is you could click Add New and then just fill out the details, and that's absolutely fine to do. But what I'm going to show you is something slightly different. It's a little bit easier to do. Let's say you're going to have a new service, but let's create a duplicate of one that exists. And when you create that duplicate, we can just back engineer it a little bit. So let's create a duplicate of beauty insurance. If you click the duplicate button, it then opens up an edited version of the beauty insurance. And there you just need to change the title. So let's just call it Another Insurance. Oh. My goodness, I can't type. And here's the text. You can just highlight that text and change it. You can change the text to anything. You can just hit enter and then you're typing in paragraph here. Oh my goodness, I just put in, that's some dummy text. I've actually got some dummy text in my clipboard, which I'm just going to, here it is here. There we go, some dummy text in my clipboard just to fill it up a little bit. There's two other areas that you need to change. When you scroll down, you'll see there that you've got your featured image and you've got your subheader text. So the subheader text, you can just change into subheader text. You can change anything you want. It's just a little bit more information on the title. And then the featured image. This featured image here can be interchanged for something else. So I click the X and then I'm invited then to add an image, which you can do by going to your existing media library and picking out an image. You can upload a file from your computer, or you can click on this tab which is called Pexels, which is a free stock image place where you can actually download some free stock images. So I've actually uploaded an image here, which I'm going to select and add to the site. And that's it really. You can come across here and save the draft. Let's say you're halfway through the task and you don't want it to go live yet. You can click Save Draft. But you can also publish it, and that's what I'll do just now. So I'll click Publish. It then basically asks me again, are you ready to publish? And I'll click Publish. That's it done now. And I can now view it by going to View Commercial Service, and there is the commercial service right there. Okay. Now one thing you'll notice is that it has this image at the top. Now that shouldn't affect you at all. I'm not just going to delete that for now. You won't see that. Remove it. Update it, so you can ignore this bit. That was my bad. Right, there we go. So there's the other insurance. The image is in the background. The image appears here again, and it appears in another place, which I'll show you. There's the text. Your subheader text appeared here. So everything's there really. When you go back to commercial services, commercial insurance, your grid of items now has this added. So you've now got another insurance added. And that's it, really. And you would follow exactly the same process for your personal insurance. you would then go to your dashboard once more, and in your dashboard you would just go to personal services and you would clone one and then reverse engineer it again. So what I'm going to do very quickly is I'm just going to bin that because it's obviously not real and the site is live. So that should be quite straightforward for you. If you've got any problems with that, then please do get in touch. One additional thing, you asked me about Google, and we have something called SiteKit up here, which allows you to see your dashboard on your analytics, and you can go into it. You need to be logged into your analytics to be able to see that. So once that's been given to me, we can make this available to you, and you can look at your traffic and your content and go into analytics and see that from there. Any questions? Please get in touch. Cheers, Darren. Bye-bye.